Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is database system and components of database system. First we need to understand what is database system, a collection of data as well as programs required to maintain that data is called database system. It is a computerized record keeping system. The main purpose of database system is to maintain data and provide data to its users when it is required. Components of database system. There are four main components of database system. First one is data, second hardware, third software, and fourth one is personnel. First component of database system is data. Data is the most important component of database system or DBMS. The main purpose of database system is to store data in database and manipulate that data. In database system, database are defined, constructed, and then data is stored, updated, and deleted and retrieved to and from database. Second objective of second component of database is hardware. Hardware consists of set of physical electronic devices. It is impossible to implement database management system without the hardware devices. The hardware devices may include computers along the following devices. Input output devices such as disk drivers, secondary storage devices, IO channels, input output channels, processors, and main memory. Third component of database system is software. Software is a set of programs that are used to control and manage the overall computerized database system. They may include database management system software, operating system, application programs, and utility programs. Database management system software. It is the most important software component in database system. It controls and manages the database in the data system. It controls and manages the data in database system. Operating system. It manages the hardware component. It also enables all the other application programs to run on the computer. Application programs and utility programs. These are used to access and process the data of database. Fourth component of database system is personnel. The people who manage the database and perform different operations on database are called personnel. Application programmers, database administrators, and users. Application programmers, the people who write application programs to access data from database are called application programmers. The end users use the application programs written by the application programmer. Database administrator, a person who is responsible for managing the overall database management system is called database administrator or simply DBA. End users, the end users are the people who perform different operations on database. The end users access the database through application programs and IDE, integrated development environment, provided by the DBMS. So today we have discussed different components of database system. First component is data. Second component is hardware. Third component is software, and fourth and the last component is personnel. These are the four basic components of database system. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.